a snowy land, a playful penguin named Pip and a curious white fox named Frosty discover a mysterious object trapped under a thick layer of snow. As they dig together to free the object, they accidentally set off an avalanche that blocks their path back home. Pip tries to slide down the icy slope to find help, but ends up sliding too far and getting lost in a snowy forest. Frosty, determined to find his friend, begins searching the forest, leaving paw print behind to guide Pip back to safety. Just as Frosty is about to give up, he spots a faint glow and follows it to find Pip stuck in a frozen pond. With no time to lose, Frosty uses his strong teeth to break the ice and rescue Pip. Grateful for Frosty's kindness, Pip and Frosty become best friends and learn the importance of helping each other. As they journey home, the snowy landscape sparkles with the shared joy and friendship of Pip and Frosty.